How to make friends on the new job, 5 tips. Workplace relationships are more crucial than ever, and are frequently associated with job satisfaction. Having a coworker friend might help you decompress and enjoy your entire day. However, if you're having trouble making friends, then you'll need a few ideas to guide you. It will be more motivating to go to work and stay with your employer if you have someone you look forward to seeing there, which will make it less enticing to hunt for work elsewhere. Overall, having coworkers can increase your job satisfaction and foster a more hospitable work atmosphere for you. We'll provide some helpful advice on how to start interacting socially with your coworkers and develop genuine relationships. Number 1. Work on your small talk game. Small talk may be difficult at the best of times, but it can be extremely awkward when you start a new job and are forced to share a cubicle with someone you don't know but need to get to know. But doing so is crucial to building reliable connections at work. You should refrain from asking personal inquiries on your first day, such as how long have you worked here? And what motivated you to choose this professional path? Conversely, if you've been there for a while, you might establish a connection by talking about your common hobbies, such as music or travel. Number 2. Introduce yourself to your colleagues whenever you get a chance. Unless we happen to run into them in a communal area, we can frequently go years without ever meeting the people sitting 50 feet from our office. Although starting a conversation with a total stranger can be uncomfortable, it's a terrific approach to get to know folks you wouldn't ordinarily chat to at work. It's okay to introduce yourself or say hi if you run into coworkers outside of your department, for instance, in the staff kitchen or hallway. You can inquire about their job role to try to make the conversation seem as casual as possible. The next time you run into them, you can bring up additional topics, and before you know it, you're talking about your weekend plans and your yearly vacation. Number 3. Suggest going out on a lunch break. Why not invite a coworker you've gotten along with in the break room to meet together for lunch or coffee somewhere else? Keep in mind that lunch breaks are a fantastic opportunity to build relationships at work. They are just long enough to get to know people, but not so long that you run out of things to say. If they appear interested, you have gained a work buddy. There is no harm done if they're not. You at least made an effort to connect with someone at work. Number 4. Be friendly with people who have the same struggles as you. In general, there will be someone in your company who started at a comparable time, if not the same time, as you. It's simpler to form friendships with people who are in a similar circumstance to you. If you and the other person are beginners, you'll be eager to make friends and may discover that you have similar interests. By starting a job at the same time as some of my coworkers, many people were able to forge some genuine connections, and you can, too. Number 5. Say no to gossiping. While most workplace connections are founded on a shared fondness or hatred of someone or something, this relationship usually disappears when one of the parties switches departments, or the entire firm, demonstrating that the friendship was only based on gossip. It's better to stay away from office gossip at all costs if you want to create reliable alliances. And if you find yourself caught up in any office rumors, just listen without commenting. If you do, it might easily backfire. A friend at work may improve a bad job and enhance a fantastic job. So now is the perfect moment to start making your own work friends. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you at least a little bit. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.